Hello. Here is our new GoPro Black Creator Edition. So we're gonna unbox it now. This is how it is. We've just taken delivery of this. And let's see. Here we go. Wow, it's a complete new set. And this is really gonna help. GoPro 12 Content Creator Edition. Wow, what a beautiful set. You have to unbox everything now. This is the creator must be updated before you can use. This is how it is. This is the frame. This is the wires. And here we are. That's the handle. It's sort of with the tripod. It's with tripod here. Can stand like this. Can stand this way. Yep. And this is the flashlight. This is the man camera. So we take it out now. It's so. This is the camera. The camera must be updated before you can use it. So we've got to do all that. GoPro is the main camera. You can also fix it on the in here. That's the frame. Go. Now this is the flashlight up. It's for content creation. And here is the battery. And here are all the tools we can use. These are all the tools. I'm gonna get this done by tomorrow. It has all the gadgets here. All the gadgets are here. All the gadgets. Wow, all this. So the helmet. This is to cover the speaker. Oh, it's a complete set. It's a complete set. This you can adjust anywhere. Either on your head. These are the wires. These are the wires. These are the screw. These are the screws. And these are the attachments. Wow. GoPro Hero 12 complete set. This is the Creator Edition. Wow, I think I'm going to be able to take care of that tomorrow. In the daytime when I can see I've just taken delivery of it now. Wow, I'm so happy to have this. I've been waiting for it for this edition. It's beautiful. Everything is complete. The tripod is here too. Once you fix the camera here, that's how it is. You can get all the adjustment here. Wow, I love it. I was waiting for it. So it's gonna help me do a lot of content creation. This is what I was waiting for, and I also got an extra micro SD X 150 speed up to 150 megabytes, 256 megabytes. So this will help too. Actually had to order for this. So this is where we are. We have everything. We have the manuals here. Wow, it's so great. Subscribe to GoPro for the best experience. Pro tips for the best. And this is it. This is the manual for everything that you need to know about the GoPro 12. GoPro 12. Wow, beautiful. Creator Edition must be updated before you use it. So we're gonna take care of that tomorrow. in the daytime. So we have all the tools, everything now to work on to be able to deliver some good videos, top class videos. So that I've been waiting for all this while, and I'm glad it came along. So this is how we are. There's the box. Beautiful.